You know that one loaf that disappears faster than you can say, sourdough discard? This is it. Zesty, tender, and bursting with lemon flavor, it's the kind of bread that makes your whole kitchen smell like sunshine. Let's make it. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and greasing or lining your 9x5 loaf pan. Into 1 cup of sugar, add the zest of 2 large lemons. Massage the zest into the lemons to release the oils and intensify the lemon flavor of this bread. For this recipe, I'm going to be using my beloved Anchorshroom mixer with the stainless steel beater bowl attachment. This beater bowl is durable and easy to clean, versatile enough for any whisking, beating, or mixing task, which makes it the perfect choice for this quick bread. In the stainless steel beater bowl, using the single wire whisks, add 6 ounces of softened cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of softened butter, and all of the sugar mixture. Start the mixer on the lowest speed, 12 o'clock, then slowly increase the speed to medium, 3 to 4 o'clock, and beat until the mixture is smooth and some air has been incorporated, about 2 to 3 minutes, scraping down the sides of the beater bowl as needed. To the same bowl, add the remaining liquid ingredients, one at a time, mixing on a medium-low speed, 2 to 3 o'clock, to incorporate between each addition. You'll need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 3 large eggs, 2/3 cup of sourdough discard, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue mixing until everything has been added and the mixture is smooth, scraping down the sides as needed. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, sift 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 to 1½ tablespoons of poppy seeds, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk to combine. For these units by weight, or for the full recipe card and written directions, be sure to check out my website, linked in the description. Turn the mixer to the lowest speed, 12 o'clock, and slowly pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix until almost completely incorporated. Transfer all the batter to your prepared 9x5 loaf pan and smooth out the top so that everything bakes evenly. Bake in your preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for 50 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Cover around the 40-minute mark if the bread is browning too quickly. While this is baking, let's take a moment to admire Anchorshroom's newest color, cloudy pink. This perfect pastel strikes a beautiful balance between elegance and charm. However, if it's not your cup of tea, no worries. Anchorshroom offers an array of color options to complement any kitchen decor. Now, this quick bread doesn't just stop at baking. For this recipe, we will infuse a simple syrup into the bread to amplify the bright lemon flavor even more. To do this, combine a 1/4 cup of lemon juice with a 1/4 cup of sugar in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture over low to medium-low heat, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. The mixture should be warm, but it shouldn't boil. When the bread is finished baking and still warm, poke holes all over it with a skewer. Slowly pour the warm syrup evenly all over the bread. Let the loaf absorb the syrup while it cools in the pan for 15 to 20 minutes before transferring it to a rack to cool completely. Last but not least, make the glaze. In a small food processor or blender, combine 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1 ounce of softened cream cheese, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Pulse until smooth, then spread or drizzle the glaze all over the warm loaf of lemon poppy seed bread. Garnish with poppy seeds and enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. For more information about this recipe, including the why behind each ingredient and step, be sure to visit my blog. If you like this video, I'd be so grateful if you'd give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.